1. 1964 Dodge Dart price, $20,000. Located in Oklahoma City, United States, this 1964 Dodge Dart is a radical street and strip machine built for serious performance enthusiasts. Under the hood sits a 360 engine stroked to 408 cubic inches, delivering aggressive power and a strong throttle response. The engine bay features a rebuilt carburetor, new water pump, new starter, and new battery, along with a complete roll cage for added safety. Nitrous is installed, making this Dart a true one-of-a-kind build designed for drivers who appreciate raw horsepower and classic Mopar attitude. The transmission currently has a minor leak, and the radiator also needs attention. However, for someone mechanically inclined, these issues are considered manageable and straightforward to resolve. The motor setup includes many upgraded components, too extensive to fully detail, showing that this car was built with performance in mind rather than simplicity. The exterior paint presents brilliantly overall, with only a few minor bubbles on the fenders. The stance is aggressive, complemented by good tires ready for the street or occasional track use. Inside, several brand new gauges have been installed, adding both function and race-inspired style to the cabin. This vehicle is packed with performance upgrades and offers tremendous potential. It is ideal for a hands-on buyer looking for a powerful classic muscle car at a competitive price. 2. 1983 AMC Eagle Street and Strip build price, $25,000. Located in Conroe, United States, this 1983 AMC Eagle has been transformed into a one-of-one street and strip machine, combining rare heritage with extreme custom performance. Powered by a Chevy 383-stroker 4-bolt main engine that has been balanced and blueprint, this build features 9.5-to-1 compression, ported and polished aluminum heads, and a hydraulic roller cam. A 471 supercharger running 10% overdriven sits on top, supported by a dual-bottle nitrous system capable of up to 300 shot. The setup has been dyno tested at approximately 800 horsepower and is built for sub-10-second performance. The drivetrain includes a built turbo 400 transmission rated for 1,000 horsepower, a 2,600 stall converter, custom heavy-duty drive shaft, and a Ford 9-inch rear with 3.50 gears. This Eagle is designed to cruise comfortably on the street or head straight to the drag strip. The reinforced chassis is fully undercoat and rust-free, while the fresh high-quality orange paint gives it standout presence. Inside, the cabin has been fully refreshed with new seats, carpet, and headliner. All gauges are new, including boost, transmission temperature, and GPS speedometer. Extras include line lock, upgraded fuel system, KYB shocks, weld wheels, and Mickey Thompson tires. 3. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D price, $40,000. Located in Lucasville, United States, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a serious pro-street big tire build designed for high-performance drag racing. The body is all steel with the exception of the hood and trunk lid, maintaining classic integrity while reducing weight where it counts. The rust-free body is extremely straight and finished in slick black paint that gives the car a menacing and aggressive presence. It retains a clean title and original VIN, making it a legitimate and desirable muscle car platform. Power comes from a wicked 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with solid roller setup and 12.5-to-1 compression. It is paired with a turbo 400 transmission equipped with a trans brake and 4,500 stall converter. The rear features an Alumafab housing with a strange third member, 4.89 gears, and 40 spline axles. Supporting hardware includes wheelie bars, parachute, and 4-wheel disc brakes. The car runs on 110-octane fuel and has posted impressive 5.878 mile times. Inside, the factory dash remains intact and uncut, with a clean and well-maintained interior. Riding on 32 by 16 rear tires and RC comp wheels, This Camaro is track-ready but could be traded for more street-friendly classic muscle or modern performance vehicles. 4. 1967 Chevrolet SS Price, $62,000. Located in Delco, United States, this 1967 Chevrolet SS, known as a Chevy 2 Nova, is a powerful and cleanly built classic muscle car featuring a big block 454 engine. Paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivers strong and reliable performance suitable for both cruising and spirited driving. The rear is equipped with a Curry 9-inch setup, and the car has been mini-tubbed to accommodate a more aggressive stance and wider tires. The front end features a Chris Alston suspension system with rack and pinion steering for improved handling and responsiveness. Jet hot ceramic-coated headers feed into a 3-inch exhaust system, providing both durability and a deep performance tone. A custom center console enhances the interior, which remains in very good overall condition. Finished in white with a gray interior, this Chevrolet presents as a well-cared-for build with approximately 23,000 miles showing. The vehicle is paid off and comes with clean documentation. Build sheets for the majority of the work are included, offering transparency and added value. This is a solid investment-grade muscle car ready to be driven and enjoyed. 5. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sedan 4D Price, $60,000. Located in Spring Hill, United States, this 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sedan 4D is a no-expense spared high-horsepower build designed primarily for serious performance use. Under the hood sits a massive 540 cubic inch big block paired with an F1A104 ProCharger featuring gear drive. The engine is built with a Callie's Compstar crank and rods, Merlin 4-block, and AFR 305 heads fully ported, along with a ported intake system. With 10.8 compression, this combination has produced an impressive 1465 horsepower on a hub dyno. The drivetrain includes an FTI Powerglide transmission rated at 2,200 horsepower and a bolt-together converter. A Ford 9-inch rear with 3.50 gears transfers power efficiently. The chassis is reinforced with a chromoly 8.5 cage, ensuring structural rigidity and safety under extreme acceleration. Finished in striking red with a matching red interior, this Malibu has only minimal miles since completion. While currently set up more for racing than street driving, it could be converted with cooling and converter adjustments. This is a serious pro street-style machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate extreme engineering and uncompromising performance. 6. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street Price, $36,500. Located in Broken Arrow, United States, this 1969 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street is an aggressive supercharged classic built to stand out both visually and mechanically. Power comes from a 427 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. Topping the engine is an 871 Wian blower with dual Holley 850 CFM 4-barrel carburetors, delivering impressive forced induction performance. The rear end features a 12-bolt PosiTrack setup with 4.11 gears and a 4-link suspension system for improved traction. Additional race-ready features include a roll cage, fuel cell, upgraded cooling system, auxiliary gauges, floor shifter, weld wheels, and an aero rear wing. The custom Mango Tango metallic paint gives the car a bold appearance, complemented by custom bucket seats with harnesses. While it has not been driven recently and will require mechanical inspection before regular use, the foundation is solid for someone seeking a powerful pro street project. This Firebird offers a strong combination of style, rarity, and supercharged muscle potential. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS Price, $85,000. Located in Sumter, United States, this 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS Pro Street Show car is a stunning example of high-performance engineering blended with show-quality presentation. Powered by a new ATK high-performance 540 cubic inch crate engine producing approximately 660 horsepower, this Nova delivers serious street and strip capability. The engine has only minimal miles since installation and is backed by a turbo 400 transmission paired with a performance torque converter built by Cameron's Torque. The rear end features a Ford 9-inch setup with 4.10 gears, providing excellent strength and acceleration. This car runs on pump gas while remaining fully street legal, offering both reliability and practicality for cruising. The drivetrain combination makes it responsive, powerful, and extremely fun to drive. Finished in brandy candy wine paint, the exterior shines with deep gloss and professional attention to detail. The custom interior complements the bold exterior, presenting a clean and refined cabin that enhances its show car presence. With approximately low mileage since completion, this Nova stands out as one of the nicest examples available. It attracts attention everywhere it goes and represents a premium pro street investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Nova 596 Morgan & Son BBC price, $20,000. Located in Elizabethtown, United States, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag car platform designed for serious racing applications. It is a titled vehicle configured for either small tire or big tire competition, offering flexibility depending on the buyer's racing goals. The car sits on RC Comp double beadlock wheels wrapped in new performance tires, providing strong traction and stability at launch. Currently offered as a rolling chassis without engine or transmission, this Nova provides an ideal foundation for a custom race build. The chassis setup is engineered for drag strip performance, making it suitable for competitors who already have a powertrain ready to install. The aggressive stance and race-ready configuration highlight its dedicated purpose. With clean lines and a race-inspired interior layout, this Nova represents a cost-effective entry into competitive drag racing. For buyers seeking a turnkey option, alternate pricing may be available depending on configuration. It may also be considered for trade depending on the offer. This is a solid opportunity to acquire a classic Chevrolet platform built specifically for speed and performance. 9. 1966 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sedan 4D price, $55,000. Located in Anna, United States, this 1966 Chevrolet Malibu SS Sedan 4D is a true 138 VIN supersport car equipped with big block heritage and modern performance upgrades. Originally configured as a factory SS with air conditioning, this example maintains its authentic identity while benefiting from a comprehensive restoration completed approximately 2 years ago. The exterior paint presents clean and smooth, with original quarter panels still intact, reflecting careful preservation and quality workmanship. Currently powered by a small block stroker engine, the car also includes the original 396 big block engine freshly rebuilt and ready to accompany the sale. This provides buyers the flexibility to maintain the current setup or return the vehicle to its original big block configuration. The transmission is a 4-speed manual, offering a classic muscle car driving experience with strong engagement and control. The interior remains very clean, matching the car's overall condition. Documentation includes the original window sticker, build sheet, and restoration paperwork, adding historical value and credibility. This Malibu SS represents a solid investment-grade classic that blends originality, performance, and documented provenance in one desirable Chevrolet platform. 10. 1986 Ford Mustang True titled V8 Outlaw Radial Roller price, $35,000. Located in MT, Washington, United States, this 1986 Ford Mustang is a professionally built outlaw radial roller chassis designed for serious competition. It features a 25.4 certified roll cage and fabricated 9-inch rear completed by Fast Chassis. The build includes extensive carbon fiber components, lightweight body panels, and reinforced structural work for optimal strength and reduced weight. The rolling chassis configuration makes it ideal for racers who already have a dedicated engine and transmission combination ready to install. Suspension components include Racicraft and Strange hardware, AFCO front and rear radial shocks, ceramic bearings, and a stock 4-link rear setup with anti-roll bar. The braking system features high-performance race components, ensuring reliable stopping power at high speeds. The vehicle rides on RC Components double beadlock wheels with Mickey Thompson radial tires. Additional features include a fiberglass dash, carbon fiber tubs, parachute system, fire suppression system, lightweight lithium battery, and custom rear wing. This Mustang has been professionally set up for radial racing and is ready for final drivetrain installation and track preparation. It represents a serious race platform built with premium components throughout. 11. 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe 2D price, $79,000. Located in St. Charles, United States, this 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 is a Marti documented one-of-one example, making it a highly collectible and unique classic. Powered by a 390 engine board and stroked to 445 cubic inches, it produces over 600 horsepower and torque. The engine bay has been extensively refreshed, with nearly everything under the hood replaced or rebuilt to ensure reliability and strong performance. The drivetrain includes a 3.00 to 1 Posey traction Ford 9-inch rear end, delivering smooth highway cruising while maintaining impressive acceleration. Suspension, brakes, transmission, and exhaust components are new, contributing to its excellent driving manners. The hideaway headlights function properly, and the vacuum system operates as designed. Finished in red with a burgundy interior, this Cougar features deluxe high-back bucket seats, center console, with style steering wheel, and fully functioning gauges. The underside has been coated, exterior trim refreshed, and detailed documentation with receipts and build photos included. Built to be driven and enjoyed, this XR7 offers both rarity and performance in a beautifully presented classic package.